What's good, guys? It's your boy Elbow from Elbow's Edible Creation, and today we're about to make something crazy. It is called
DeceptiKOn Juice.
DeceptiKOn Juice. And why do we call it DeceptiKOn Juice?
Because you're about to transform it.
To something. You can transfer to freaky, sleepy, something you're gonna transform to.
Sleepy.
And y'all already know who this is, Ashley. From the last video, the heavy hand pour. So we brought her back because DeceptiKOn Juice, you're gonna have to make sure this is full of liquor. Which obviously you see what we have here.
We got
on your side.
Hennessy. We got Jose Cuervo, tequila, Stella Rosa.
We love Stella Rosa.
Lemon lime soda. Ain't that what you said?
Yeah, lemon lime soda.
Yeah.
No sponsored by Sprite.
Right. And then we got Simply Lemonade with strawberry.
So first off, we're gonna start off with Stella Rosa.
Okay, go ahead. That's you.
That's me?
Yeah.
So this is me right here.
That's you. Yeah, I bought it.
I'm feeling by the bottle.
Yeah.
Now they ain't even half the bottle.
Damn, nigga, just drink it like that.
I felt you on the stage. I had to match your spirit. So then what you gonna put on?
We're gonna go in with the Jose Cuervo tequila.
I ain't gonna look out. You know how she is. It's up to you, man. We about to transform, so what you got?
Bam.
Okay.
We transform it.
Alright, what you want? What is you put the Hennessy in?
Yeah, we're gonna do the Henny.
Go ahead, let me see.
My fave.
I don't smell that bad yet. It quite smells good. Pretty yeah.
Hey man, Decepticon.
Alright, that's it, y'all. We're gonna just drink this. You ready?
It is. Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, we're gonna drink this. Then we're gonna pour some in this Simply Lemonade in here. With strawberry. All natural, y'all. So we're gonna pour a lot of here in there. Is that good?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then we're gonna get a lemon lime soda. Don't bust on me.
We gotta open it.
Here we go. We gotta balance this stuff out, and then you stir. We already had ice in the chili, so. That's how you gonna stir? The liquor's still together.
It's still together. What does it smell like?
It is mostly. I really do smell the Stella Rosa, which is weird. So don't move this out the way. You guys got the cups? Yeah, we can do them. Go ahead, that's perfect. I'm gonna pour y'all. I'm gonna jump them in y'all. Remember, jump them. I'm gonna pour a cup. I'm gonna pour a little bit. So we gotta take it together. Like professional.
Which you smell more?
Yeah. I really just smell Stella Rosa like peach. You ready to taste it?
I smell more than Henny.
Cheers.
Ready?
I really don't taste no liquor.
I don't taste no alcohol. Wait. That's juice.
Go ahead and get heavy-handed. Go ahead and do your thing.
I tried to be modest.
I taste Stella Rosa in this.
I tried to be modest
Go
with
ahead
it.
and get it. Go ahead and just pour it all. That's all you.
Come taste it, Jay.
Come on, production manager. Go ahead and taste it.
Ain't nothing but no juice.
Do you want to put some on everything in there? Or you just think that's going to be it?
Yep, that's definitely juice.
So we went on ahead and poured the rest of the Henny.
Alright, so I'm going to let her be an alcohol judge. Do we need more than anything else?
I feel like I want to go a little bit more with the Jose Cuervo.
Go ahead. You're going to be the judge. Because obviously, it tastes like juice, people.
Yeah,
it tastes like juice.
Yeah.
You trying to transform,
Which might be a good thing, though.
Alright, look, that's it. Just go ahead. Let's see what you got.
Alright. Let's try this again.
Let's try this again. Pour your cup up. There you go. Let's see.
Nice little cocktail. Okay, I taste a little bit more.
A little. It's a hint, but.
Of what though? This one, the Jose Cuervo?
Yeah.
That's what I taste.
We're gonna put some more Stella Rose in. And we'll put them all in. Hey. I'm gonna put the real measure we're gonna use at the end in the video because obviously we under measured.
Look at this guy. He was real tough. Okay, let's go.
Let me know. I gotta catch up with you.
Man, you gotta catch up. It's juice.
Oh, you gonna pop? Thank you.
I got you. I got you, Porter. Let's see.
I think I like that better.
Yeah.
So you use
A whole bottle with half, with a
over half.
over half.
With a third of it. Third Stella Rose. Maybe 2 cups of Hennessy.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 cup of Jose Cuervo. Maybe 2 cups of this and a half a bottle of Simply. And you get a perfect drink.
It's a good cocktail.
Yeah, I like this. This is DeceptiKOn Juice, people. It gonna hit you, gonna sneak up on you.
Yeah.
So you know this. I'm Elbow. Signing out. It's Ashley. Thank you for coming back again.
You're welcome, my brother.
The people wanted you back. I kept you banned. But
Don't do me.
thank y'all. I'm out.
Peace.